Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I forgot to do an intro because I was way too excited for this event. So we're gonna go ahead and start off the video with my favorite wheel company. And here we go.
Go ahead. Oh, give it one more spin.
Hey guys, my name is Ian here at Offroad. We're here at Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona. Today we're showcasing some of our newest wheel designs that you guys might want to check out. Starting on the top here is our fully forged Invader beadlock. This is a true beadlock design. Lets you go down to 0 PSI or whatever needs you might have. Below is all of our simulated beadlocks. We have our brand new trail. This is in a machine finish. We have our brand new grit. This is in the gunmetal finish. On the bottom left, that is the Baja. That is by far our most popular design. And then on the left of it is the Commando, another new finish as well. And then both trucks also have the Mojaves. So we kind of touch on all of our new designs that we've released in this past year. We're here all the way through Sunday, and we've been giving away a bunch of t-shirts. So hopefully you guys got a chance to stop by and check us out.
Step right up.
Hey guys, we're out here with Trucked bed racks, and they have something really cool to show us. This is on a 25 Tacoma? Yep. 25 Tacoma short bed. So if you want to take it away, let's go ahead and start with what it is.
So this is a prototype of our new Trucked bed cap. What it's doing is it's actually mounted underneath our A-Series bed rack. Our A-Series bed rack is the structure. So it's a 75-pound rack. It has a 400-pound dynamic, 1,000-pound static load rating. So it's a super strong rack, super lightweight, made of stainless steel. So if you're in rusty areas, it won't rust. We're from Pittsburgh, so
oh, perfect. Okay.
Rust is our mortal enemy.
This is a two-piece system. You guys sell it. Is it individually or kind of combined when you buy it, or how?
So you can start with the A-Series rack.
Okay.
You don't have to buy the cap. You can always add the cap later down the road.
Okay.
This is our first prototype of the cap. So
it's, perfect. Okay.
Not for sale quite yet.
Okay.
We're just opening up deposits. We have 50 open deposits between now and the end of the year.
Okay.
But we're planning to start shipping these in September, October.
Perfect.
The cap, the racks themselves are for sale. You can buy a rack today. Those are in stock and on our website.
It's super unique because like you've got, it looks like you have your basic opening right here.
Yeah, so you got the side gull wing doors, so it's good access in to take gear out. So you can close these doors. Close the doors, still prototype. And then these are accessories, so you can add the panels.
Okay.
If you want the panels, you don't have to have the panels.
Yeah.
And they're on our hinge kit too. So these open and close as well.
That is super rad, man.
And so that's something else that one of the reasons that we say it's the best of a rack and a cap is because you get the big outside mounting, which is something we noticed in the market. We're like, you don't get a lot of outside mounting on caps. So this is a way to get kind of both.
Well, yeah, and and that's super huge too. Just because like on my rack, I got so much bars right there. I can't ever get anything I want out of the thing. That's kind of my biggest draw to why I want to talk to you. Yeah. So that's really cool.
Yeah, so they're all lockable doors too. So we got good lock systems on all of them.
Okay.
Single point releases.
Oh, so perfect. Okay.
You don't have to do like the awkward,
the double
lock.
So do you guys have like a lot of accessory mounts for like awnings, stuff like that? You guys can buy from you guys, or?
Yeah, so we make all kinds of mounts.
Okay.
Traction board mounts, awning mounts.
Oh, perfect.
Tent mounts.
Okay.
You name it, we've got almost everything.
Okay.
We have side mounts for bikes if you want to run a bike on the side.
So will the glass be an optional thing, or is that standard across the board when it comes to your cap?
DVDs. So that's what we're asking people this weekend.
Oh, okay, cool.
What people want to see.
What do you guys want to see? All right, let the guys know. Go to the website, check them out. Email them, let them know what you want. Comment below as well.
So our plan, starting at the beginning here, is we've got polycarbonate windows.
Okay.
Thought being, it's lighter weight.
Right.
It's not going to crack or
That's
shatter.
the biggest thing, yeah.
The only downside with polycarbonate is it does scratch a little easier. So
yeah.
We've been asking everybody to show polycarbonate glass.
Yeah, well, you guys could do like a ceramic, like maybe film or something like that over it. I don't know.
We'll get, if we do polycarbonate, we'll get like there's a treatment you can do.
Okay.
It's basically like a scratch-resistant treatment. So we'll have a nice dark tint so you can't see inside.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
And a scratch-resistant treatment on them.
This thing's really sweet. Yeah, it's something you don't see anywhere else, and I
Yeah,
really like the whole gold wing design right there.
We don't like doing it the same as everybody else.
Yeah, no, that's definitely a good thing.
The whole weight of the whole system, including the cap, is only about 140 pounds.
Oh wow,
So
that's super light.
So when you're doing a lot of off-roading and going,
That's the biggest thing is flex, and yeah,
weight is like your biggest enemy. So
yes,
less weight means you can carry more, you have better performance off-road,
right.
Better gas mileage. There's tons of pros when you can if you can reduce the weight, which is what one of the biggest things that we're trying to do.
Well, what's nice is I can if I want to, I can take off the bed rack and just have the cap for work, or vice versa, and I can just kind of rock it however I want, whenever I want, because I've got a few friends out there that are very indecisive.
So this is another super cool feature that we added in this, and this is something we've got a patent pending on. So we've got these hatches, or ports, I've been calling them.
Okay.
So you can take these ports off, and it gives you direct access to the crossbars.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
So when you're trying to mount a tent or other gear
That's
up top,
super smart. Yeah.
you're not scratching your arm. You're trying to fit your hand in a tiny spot.
That is really nice and helpful, because I don't know how many times I've taken off myself or my friends' tents, and we're just like, you can't see what you're doing. Yeah, that's super cool, and you have the lighting in there. So is this amber or all the time, or does it change?
So they're camp lights. So the way I have these wired into a secondary battery system in the truck, but they're 3-color options.
Okay.
And yeah, they'll run.
So, a quick question. I know this is a prototype, but are you guys planning on doing any kind of kitchen setups or baskets or molly panels that go in?
Yeah, so we'll
kind of slide-in accessories.
As we grow the product line, we'll have side boxes that go on the side.
Okay.
With our current rack system, we have something we call our Molly side pod.
Okay, cool.
Which we don't have in the show this time. But it was on my truck until I replaced it with they're basically big Molly boxes that go on the inside. And you can mount on the inside, on the outside, kind of everywhere. So we're going to come up with a version of that. Because it's a cap, we'll probably do a little bit less deep than what we did on
something super simple,
for the racks. But we're also going to have a wire harness. That'll be an accessory that you can buy. And then we'll also have ports, most likely on the top. So if you want to plug your awning in, plug your tent in, do outside lighting.
That's a huge one.
Chase lights,
something like this on the, or not that, but the little fatter ones, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we'll use watertight Deutsch connectors.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. That'd be really sweet, man. Well, I really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, sweet.
Thank you.
Okay, so my buddy here is guiding me to the new top that he got. He's super excited about, so check it out.
Hey, I'm Vern with Wild Top. We're here at the Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona in booth E13. Wild Top is a manufacturer of a custom soft top for pickup trucks. Our claim to fame, though, is a built-in heavy-duty rack. The rack is rated at 1,500 pounds, static, 330 dynamic. It's made out of aluminum extrusion with T-slots on all sides. So you have inside and out places to mount different accessories. We also have a Nomad version, lighter weight if you're going for lightweight. The Nomad version is only 70 pounds total, but it'll also hold 770 pounds static, 220 dynamic. All of our sides, all 4 sides roll up. We use magnets instead of clips to hold everything together. There it is. Sides roll up too. 16-ounce Australian canvas. We are proudly made in Australia, the birthplace of overlanding. Options include third brake light, our mesh window screens. These are Velcroed on, but they're very strong. And coming soon is an adjustable crossbar. Again, everything's made in Australia. You have choices of colors, windows, no windows, and your choice between the Beast, which again is 1,500 pounds static, 330 dynamic, or the Nomad, which is 770 pounds static, 220 pounds dynamic.
All right, guys. So this is the truck from SEMA's show. This is their hydrogen Tacoma. I thought it was really cool. Got to sit down and talk with the engineer that helped develop it. Really awesome truck. I really hope they bring this to market. Just kind of a little showcase. I wasn't able to get an interview with her.
Hey guys, so we're here with Starkside Gear, and I'm Daniel, by the way. Trevor, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So he's going to explain. He's got two cool products that I haven't seen before personally. So if you guys are like people who like to take off their tent and you want to do some rock crawling or just some basic home, go to Home Depot, get what you need, he's the guy. So I'll let him take care of it from there.
Yeah.
So what we got here?
So we have two different products. The first product is just a lock. So actually for securing your tent, these rooftop tents are pretty expensive,
right?
$2-3 grand more. So we want to be able to protect your investment. So the first one is just this lock right here. So the way that this works is you have a traditional mount that looks like this. You got the long bolts, and then we have our mount right here. So what this does is it actually has a cover for a key. You can throw the key in here, pop that in. Okay, and then from there, there's a cover that comes right off.
That's super cool.
So you basically have a traditional mount, with the two bolts, but from here you're actually shielding the nuts so that it can't be removed. And we also have spacers on here so that bolt cutters can't actually shear it off.
That's way cool.
So just a little simple product to be able to protect your investment.
Yeah, it's definitely good because if you got a truck like I do, and it's it's one of those things that people can kind of get in there real quick and nab it in the middle of the night.
Yeah, it's unfortunate that tents are stolen, but the reality is there's no traceability. It's really hard to tell.
Yeah.
Whose tent is whose. So unfortunately, tents get stolen and they get sold on marketplaces secondhand.
Yeah. And I probably bought it. Sorry, guy, whoever got it stolen. All right, so what's our next one we got?
Yeah,
here?
so this is Isidro. Excuse me. Alrighty, and so this is a quick release mount.
Oh, cool.
So the advantage of this is being able to take the tent off quickly. So like you said earlier, so it's like rock crawling.
Right.
Sometimes people use the same rig for a rock crawling trip than they do for like an overlanding trip.
Right.
And they want to be able to take the tent off. So what we have here is quick release. The way this works is you have a knob. Turn that knob about 2 turns till the pin's free. Then from there, the mount opens right up.
Oh, that's super cool, man.
And you could do that a couple times. So over here, same process, turn the knob, crack it loose, slide it open.
Wow.
And then if you do care about security and you want quick release,
right,
we actually have a locking pin. So you can actually place that clevis pin with the locking pin, and now you have both the best of both worlds. You can actually lock the tent and get on and off easily.
That's super cool.
Oh, so yeah.
So are these made out of aluminum? Is it like steel? Like is it like what's it made out of?
Yeah, great question. So this is all 304 stainless steel. All the hardware stainless. We want to make sure that your mounts are going to rust out.
Right. Yeah.
And the tents are heavy. You drag them across the roof rack, you put them on the ground, slide them around.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like you look at the top of most roof racks, they're all scuffed up because tents are heavy, they're awkward, it's tough to move them. So if we didn't do stainless, then the parts would rust out over time, and we didn't want that.
So how do I install it? So let's say I buy this product and I want to put this on my tent. Do I just slide it in the rails or?
Yeah, so out of the box, they come like this. So they're already all pre-assembled, ready to rock and roll. So all you have to do is just take them out of the box and they'll just slide right down on the end of the rail.
Okay.
So this just slides in here.
Oh, so super easy. Like you can be in and out like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's a very quick install. So from there, you'd pop the pin, and then during the initial setup, you'd throw it to the other side of the crossbar, and then you would actually use a nut and drive this in. I'm sorry, use a socket. Now the advantage of having one side fixed is that every time you take the tent on and off, you have an index, you have a datum, so that I can drop the tent on, and then this fixed mount's always in the right spot.
Okay.
So I can just butt up against the crossbar, and I don't have to go back and remeasure.
That's super nice. Yeah. Okay. So where can we find you if we want to buy this? Like, you guys have a website, an email, just GoFundMe?
Yeah, no, we've been around for quite a few years. Our website is tentmount.com.
Tentmount.com. Okay, cool.
Simple.
All right, guys, go check them out. It's a really cool product. And thank you again.
Yeah,
appreciate
likewise.
It, man. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around and watching the end of the video. It is finally here. I hope to see you guys next year at Overland Expo 27. Have a good one.